In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer step by step. First, click on the Start button located at the bottom left corner of your screen. From the Start menu, click on Settings. Inside Settings, select Update and Security. Once you're in Update and Security, click on Recovery from the left-hand menu. Under the Recovery section, you'll see an option called Reset this PC. Click on Get Started. Now Windows will give you two options. The first option is Keep My Files. This will remove apps and settings but keep your personal files. The second option is Remove Everything, which will completely wipe all files, apps, and settings from your PC. Choose the option that best suits your needs. In this example, I'll select Keep My Files, then click Next. After that, Windows will ask how you want to reinstall Windows. You can choose Cloud Download, which downloads a fresh copy of Windows from Microsoft, or Local Reinstall, which uses the existing Windows files on your computer. I'll select Local Reinstall, then click Next. Before proceeding, make sure your laptop is plugged into a power source, as your computer may restart several times during the reset process. Once everything looks good, click Next to continue. Your PC may restart multiple times while Windows resets itself. Once the process is complete, your Windows 10 system will be refreshed and ready to use. And that's it. That's how you reset a Windows 10 laptop or desktop computer. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more easy step-by-step tutorials.